friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer from CVS week of July 12 to July 18, 2020. Today I use all the digital and printable coupons, so you don't need to buy Sunday's insert. So let's get started. The first deal is Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Colgate and get back $4.50 ECB back. The limit is 2 per household. It's also sell $3.49 each. Buy 4 Colgate total advance 3.4 OZ. The totals come out $13.96. Use one $5 of 3 Colgate digital coupon. Use one 75 cents of Colgate total advance printable coupon on Colgate.com. Use one $3 of 10 Colgate toothpaste CVS CRT. Use one $3 of teeth whitening kit CVS CRT. The total coupon is $12. Just pay only $2.21 and get back $9 ECB. Guys, the final cost all for Colgate is free plus $6.79 moneymaker. But in this deal, you need to buy Colgate Total SF Advance. Then you can get $5 of 3 Colgate digital coupon. Otherwise, it's not taking off the digital coupon. The second deal is Colgate toothbrush deal. Buy 2 Colgate toothbrush, get back $5 ECB. The limit is 2 per household. Buy 4 Colgate 360 manual toothbrush, 1 city. The totals come out $20.76. It's $5.19 each. Use one $4 of 16 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use 4 75 cents of Colgate toothbrush printable coupon on Colgate.com. The total coupon is $7. Pay $13.76 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is $3.76 or 94 cents each. The third deal is Colgate toothpaste and toothbrush multi-pack deal. Buy 1 multi-pack and get back $3 ECB. It's limit 2 per household. Buy 2 Colgate extra clean toothbrush, $8.38. It's $4.19 each. It's 3 pack. Pay $8.38 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is both toothbrush is $2.38 or $1.19 each. This deal you can do if you have $5 of 25 CVS CRT or $5 of $20 CVS CRT. Buy 4 Colgate total advance 3.4 OZ. The total is $13.96. It sell $3.49 each. Buy 2 Colgate 360 whole mouth clean. Its total come out $10.38, $5.19 each. Buy 2 Colgate extra clean toothbrush multi-pack. The totals is $8.38. It's $4.19 each. The total is $32.72. Use one $5 of 25 Colgate CVS CRT. Use one $5 of 3 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. Use one 75 cents of Colgate toothpaste printable coupon on Colgate.com. Use 2 75 cents of Colgate toothbrush printable coupon on Colgate.com. The total coupon is $12.25. Pay only $20.47 and get back $9 ECB for Colgate toothpaste. Get back $5 ECB for toothbrush and get back $6 ECB for multi-pack. The final cost all 8 product is only 47 cents. The fourth deal is Physician Formula deal. Buy 2 get back $8 ECB. Limit is 1 per household. It's exclude butter bonanza and butter leaf. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Physician Formula organic wear lipstick, $17.18. It's $8.59 each. Use one $4 of Physician Formula mystery coupon. It's printed for from everyone 7/5 to 7/11. Use one $3 of Physician Formula mystery coupon printed for today everyone. Pay $10.18 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is $2.18 or $1.09 each. If you have $3 of $12 cosmetic CVS CRT, it's free plus moneymaker. It's also count towards the CVS Beauty Reward. The fifth deal is Sick Razor deal. Spend $25 and get back $10 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy one Sick Hydro 5-man razor, it's $12.49. Buy one Sick Hydro 6 trimmer, it's $19.99. The total is $32.48. Use one $5 of 20 CVS CRT. Use one $5 of Sick Hydro 6 trimmer CVS CRT. Use one $1 of Sick Razor app only coupon. Use one $4 of Sick Razor CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Woman Sick Razor digital coupon and one $3 of Men Sick digital coupon. The total coupon is $21. Pay only $11.48 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is both razor are $1.48 or 74 cents each. The sixth deal is Pantene and Aussie deal. Buy 2 get $2 ECB or buy 4 get back $6 ECB. The limit is 6 per household. Buy 4 Pantene shampoo or conditioner 17.7 to 20.1 oz. The total is $20.99. The Pantene shampoo is 3 for $15. Use one $5 of 3 Pantene shampoo CVS digital coupon. Use $1 of Pantene CVS app only coupon. Use one $4 of 18 shampoo CVS CRT. Use one $3 of 3 Pantene shampoo CVS instant coupon last week, printed from everyone. Use one $2 of Pantene Aussie CVS CRT. The total coupon is $14. Pay only $6.99 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is all 4 items are only 99 cents or 24 cents each. The seventh deal, household deal scenario 1. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB. The limit is 1 per household. You can mix and match this deal. If you want to like household product, you can buy the household product. Otherwise you need the food product, you can mix and match this deal. I purchased the one child liquid 92.100 FLOZ $11.94. Buy 2 Tide Pod 12 to 16 CT $9.88. Buy one Scott Pepper towel 6 CT $9.99. The total comes out $31.81. Use one $3 of 15 of laundry detergent CVS CRT. Use one $2 of Tide Pod coupon pngeveryday.com. Use one $2 of Tide Pod CVS digital coupon. Use one $3 of Tide liquid CVS digital coupon. Use one $1 of Tide Pod CVS app only coupon and use one $2 of Scott Pepper towel CVS digital coupon. The total coupon is $13. Pay only $18.81 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is all 4 product is $8.81 or $2.93 each. The scenario 2. Spend $30 get $10 ECB. Its limit 1 per household. Buy one tile liquid 92.2200 FLOZ $11.94. Buy one Tide Pod 21 to 35 CT $11.94 each. Buy one Downy liquid 103 OZ. It's also sell on $11.94 each. The totals come out $35.82. Use one $3 of 15 of laundry detergent CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Tide Pod digital coupon. Use one $1 of Downy app only coupon. Use one $3 of Tide liquid CVS digital coupon. Use one $1 of Tide Pod CVS app only coupon and use one $3 of Downy liquid CVS digital coupon. All the digital coupon it's come today's. The total coupon is $14. Pay only $21.82 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is all three product is $11.82 or $3.94 each. So the eighth deal it's Grease toothpaste deal. Buy two, get $3 ECB. It's limit 2 per household. It's also sell $2.99 each. Buy two Grease complete toothpaste. The totals come out $5.98. Use $1 of Grease complete toothpaste digital coupon. Use 1 50 cent of Grease toothpaste apps only coupon. The total coupon is $1.50. Pay only $4.48 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is for only $1.48 for both toothpaste. The ninth deal, Futuro Braces deal. If you have this CVS CRT, you can do this deal. Buy one Futuro support adjustable bridge support. It's $8.79. Use one $7 of Futuro Braces CVS CRT. Use one $2 of 8 pain relief or sleep aid CVS CRT. Pay 0 and final cost is free. This is unadvertised deal. Popperized nail deal. Buy two, get $4 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy two popperized nail, it's 2 for $5. Pay $5 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is $1 or 50 cents each. So that's this week couponing haul. If you have any question, comment down me below. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. See you guys.